I just built a cleaning business website on the Socialverse platform in under 30 minutes. What I did is I grabbed the cleaning business template on the Socialverse platform and then basically just customized it to my brand. As you can see, I'm just speeding up the clip to speed up the process, but this clip was about 25 minutes long of just recording and transforming this page from the template to this cleaning business, which is specifically around these colors. That's kind of like this aqua blue, red, black, white. And as you can see, I am just throwing their logo into Canva real quick to put it with a white background behind it to kind of make it pop and stand out a little bit more. So I'm just running through the Socialverse software and customizing this template. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, this was all done in under 30 minutes and customized the whole website just because everything is already laid out in a template, and all you have to do is go in there and change all the images, the text, the colors, basically customize the template to your business. And what's cool is on the Socialverse platform, this is all DIY. So you can do this yourself, and all you're paying for is your website hosting. And no matter where you go in the world, you're going to have website hosting costs, and you're going to be paying website hosting. So you're never going to be able to escape that. But you now can loop that in as one cost inside of Socialverse to DIY and build your website. If you check the description of this video, I'll have a link to this template where you can actually go get started for free and customize the website 100% to your liking, and you only upgrade your hosting when you're ready to go live. So yeah, it's 100% free to get started and actually get into the Socialverse software to access this template and start customizing for your business specifically. Also, and what's cool is if you don't want to customize this website yourself, just reach out to our support team because we have different website design build packages. And if you're potentially going with just our landing page option, we might even build your landing page for free if you sign up for a yearly hosting. So just reach out to our support team and we'll go over your different options and even show you and walk you through on how you can DIY build your website on Socialverse, just like what we're doing here. So once again, this was just in 30 minutes. I basically signed up, started and picked a template on Socialverse for cleaning, and then edited it all, the colors, the text, the images, basically the entire website to fit the brand that I want. And it was all done in 30 minutes and we were able to publish it. So that's what's cool about using the Socialverse platform. It's a platform that allows you to speed up the development process, and you can build and design basically websites, online stores, landing pages, communities, and much more on Socialverse, all literally just in 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and just check out this website once again that we built on the Socialverse platform. I'm going to edit the forms right here and adjust a couple little things to get it ready. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and save it. And once we have saved it, we can actually go in about publishing it and viewing our work to see what we created. So once again, just in 30 minutes or less, I was able to basically create a full website on Socialverse for this cleaning business. So here we have the website. Pretty simple, pretty clean, overall, pretty awesome that we are able to get started for free and basically take a template and in under 30 minutes customize it for our business.